Here in Arkansas, Thanksgiving is about food, family, and football. Maybe not in that exact order. But there are a few practical legal issues that you need to know in order to focus on those three things. So just watch this video so that you know how to take care of these three weird Thanksgiving legal issues. Hello world, I'm Jeff Hamby, and this is Appealing Information. Weird legal issue number one is if you're frying a turkey this Thanksgiving, you might need to call your insurance agent first. Each year, over 900 homes in America are destroyed by fires from people trying to fry a Thanksgiving turkey. If your turkey isn't completely thawed when you put it into the hot oil, it can flare up and cause a huge fireball that can catch your house or anything else around on fire. So obviously the best advice is to make sure this doesn't happen to you and to thaw your turkey completely for days before you ever think about frying it. But if you want to be legally protected from any property damage or anything else that might occur from you frying your Thanksgiving turkey, make sure to reach out to your insurance agent to see what your homeowner's insurance will cover. Thanksgiving legal issue number two involves what happens when your uncle breaks his arm in that backyard football game. Many people believe that if you go onto someone else's property and then you get hurt, that it's the owner of the property's fault. That's not necessarily the case in Arkansas. Arkansas has different levels of property owner liability depending on the type of property and what it's used for. For example, if you go to a grocery store, there is one level of responsibility that grocery store owner has that's pretty high. When it comes to inviting guests over to your house, that's an entirely different story. Unless you're inviting your family over on Thanksgiving to make money off of them, you have two real responsibilities when it comes to making sure your property's safe. Responsibility number one's pretty clear. Don't intentionally hurt people. Arkansas doesn't allow mutual combat like some other states. So even if you get in a fight, you're gonna be in trouble if you intentionally hurt somebody. Your second responsibility is to warn or make safe anything on your property that is dangerous, that is not open and obvious. So if it's at nighttime and there's a ditch that people don't know about, or if you have a step outside that's particularly slippery that people don't know about, you need to tell them about those things. But if it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and everyone's outside playing football, it's not gonna be your fault if somebody gets hurt. Thanksgiving legal issue number three involves Black Friday shopping. While stores may have sales that say all the rules are off and give you some really good bargain deals, remember that Arkansas never turns off its liability laws. So if somebody knocks you over trying to get that discount TV, or if they run into your car trying to get the last spot in the parking lot, remember that you do have rights and that they don't go away just because it's Black Friday. On a slightly more serious note, please do stay safe out there when you're on the roads during Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving weekend is the most traveled weekend of the entire year. And unfortunately, it coincides with the time of year with the highest number of DUI arrests as well. The day before Thanksgiving is even called Black Wednesday because it's believed to be the busiest night of the year for bars and drinking. So if you're going to consume alcohol over the Thanksgiving holiday, please do not drive. For everyone else, keep an eye out on the roads. Be extra cautious and defensive, especially whenever you're driving after dark. Appealing Information is taking next week off because of the Thanksgiving holiday, but if you all follow these tips, you'll stay safe, and I'll see you in a couple weeks.